Let's dive into the thrilling display of Yashpal Sharma's brilliant inning of 56 runs off just 52 balls, featuring 4 boundaries and 2 towering sixes against Pakistan in the first ODI at Gujranwala on December 3, 1982. Despite India falling short and losing the match, Yashpal Sharma, fearless and aggressive batting stood out as a shining moment of resilience and determination. His inning was a masterclass in counter-attacking cricket, where he fearlessly took on the formidable Pakistan bowling attack, keeping India's hopes alive till the very end. Every stroke he played reflected his grit and ability to perform under pressure, making this knock a memorable chapter in cricket history. Even in defeat, his valiant effort remains an inspiring testament to the fighting spirit and unyielding passion that defines the game.
शर्मा की ऊंची हिट देखते हैं कि अंपायर का क्या इशारा है और छक्का शर्मा जलालुद्दीन की गेंद पर शर्मा का छक्का स्ट्रेट। कपिल देव 15 रन बनाने के बाद आउट हुए। और रन आउट होने का खतरा किरमानी का, लेकिन गेंद बारी के पास सही तौर पे नहीं आई, जिसकी वजह से बारी के पैडों में गेंद लग के जरा दूर गई और 1 रन बनाने का और मौका किरमानी और शर्मा को 40 ओवर्स में बनाए थे। इसके जवाब में भारत ने अब तक 34वें ओवर तक 152 रन बनाए। और ये शॉर्ट पिच डिलीवरी थी, किरमानी खेलने की कोशिश की लेकिन सही तौर पर उसे बिल्कुल ना खेल सके और बैठ गए।
39 overs, India have scored 198, which means they now require 27 runs to win off the last over. Last over of India's innings. India 198 for the loss of 6 wickets. A good partnership between Sharma, 45 not out, Kirmani, 26 not out, taking the score from 121 to 198. Imran to bowl to Kirmani. And Kirmani this time will get a single, but that won't be enough if India are to get those runs. Imran bowling to Yashpal Sharma. And that's been hit away. And that's 4 runs straight past the bowler. India hoisting up the 200 mark, 203 for 6. Imran to bowl to Sharma. And it's up in the air, the ball is running out to the square leg boundary, and that's another 4. Sharma really cutting loose, hitting it away, short pitch delivery, and he pivoted round and hit it powerfully enough down to the square leg boundary for 4 runs. And Imran would be careful not to bowl a no ball or a wide. Imran to Sharma. And that should be 4 runs, or is it going to be stopped? Yes, it has been stopped by Jalaluddin running in from long gone. 16 runs required of 2 deliveries. Imran bowling to Sharma. And that perhaps quite clearly seals the fate of this game. Last delivery coming up with 16 runs to get for India. Imran bowling to Sharma, the very last ball. And that's a slow ball played away on the offside. The batsmen go through for a single. And India, in their allotted 40 overs, end up at 210 for the lot.
Yashpal Sharma was a courageous and dependable Indian cricketer known for his gritty batting and ability to perform under pressure. Born on August 11, 1954 in Ludhiana, India, he played a crucial role in India's historic 1983 World Cup victory, where his steady performances, including a vital 61 against England in the semi-final, were instrumental in the team's success. A right-handed middle-order batsman, Yashpal Sharma was admired for his determination, fearless approach and ability to anchor the innings during challenging situations. He represented India in Test matches and ODI between 1978 and 1985, leaving a lasting legacy as a fighter on the field. After retirement, he remained connected to the cricket as a coach and selector, continuing to shape the sport he loved. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.